Hi, I'm Rohit from AITS. At AITS, we enable Arm developers to bring PyTorch, Onyx, Caffe, Keras, and TensorFlow models with no-code, low-code, and full-code platform to Cortex-M series devices. No-code apps provide web interface to capture audio, vision, and sensor data to customize, train, test, and compile the models as downloadable binaries targeted to your Cortex device. Here you see wake word detection app creation for keyword wow with dataset being captured, model being trained and tested, and compiled to microcontroller.
Wow, just wow. This is AI VTT demo for keyword wow.
Low-code and full-code features empower Arm developers to create their proprietary models and compile them to their favorite Cortex-M series MCUs. Come, join us at Arm AI Virtual Tech Talk to learn how to bring PyTorch models to your favorite microcontroller.